What's going on, guys? How do I start this video? I have two news for you. Hold on, a four-finger that. I have good news and I have a bit of bad news. All right. Today, September 21st, and tomorrow, September 22nd. Also, may I give you good news first. So today and tomorrow will be the open house for Chester Creek, the development being done by Wiccan at Westchester. And if you're wondering why I'm in this position, because the sun hot, I'm going to try to hide to hurry up and do this very short video. So guys, the good news is that you can go out today and tomorrow between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. to view the model unit for Chester Creek. I happened to make a quick stop there a couple of minutes ago, and I'm moving now into the bad news. I know some kind of look happy, but I'm not so happy. All right. So guys, I did not get to do that exclusive video that I love to give to you guys today. Hopefully, in the very near future, I can share a proper tour of this unit with you guys. But if you can run out and go check it out. So you have today the 21st and tomorrow the 22nd of September, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. to go check out the unit. Alright, we're coming with some other updates on other properties that you need to look out for. But for now, that's what is happening. I think there's also open house for Silver Sun off Old Harbour Road, so you guys can check that out if you have the time as well. But we definitely try to give you guys the updates as they come. So I apologize for not being able to give you guys this tour of the model unit for Chester Creek today. Circumstances beyond my control, and like me say, boy, the sun hot, me I try hurry up. But guys, thank you for stopping by at ChriSamz one more time. Check out the information. Don't miss the opportunity to go and view the unit for yourself. From what I saw, the unit is very lovely. It is well put together, in my opinion. But I love if you guys can go out, check out the unit for yourself, leave your comment down below, and then when we get the opportunity to give you guys a full tour, we will definitely give that to you. All right. My thing is that if I cannot produce a proper video for you guys without interruption, without obstacles, I always dream of producing the best. My aim is to always produce the best quality videos. I'm not able to do so today, hence the reason why I'm not giving you a tour right now. But thank you guys for listening to my explanation. It is not an excuse, but I just feel like I just needed to update you guys because some persons have reached out to me telling me that the open house is today, and I really appreciate that from you guys. So keep the comments coming, keep the chat positive, and let's continue to move on. So if you have any more updates, drop them in the comment section down below, and we'll definitely do what we can. So guys, it's peace out from ChriSamz today. Have a wonderful rest of the weekend and prepare yourself for the next week. All right. Tuesday again, we have a new update on when I come Tuesday, we'll see. So it's peace out. Bless up.